left behind our homes. May you grant them peace and happiness as they go about their activities. Bless people around the globe that they may enjoy peace and the goodness of your love. We ask all these through your mighty name. Amen.
Thank you, everybody. Please take your seat. So it is this time of the year that we are now, we always look forward to and to gather and share and enjoy. So at this time, at this moment, we are given this privilege to have this lecture with us before we break for our lunch. So it is my pagutong sa kanota. So we now would like to call on Dr. Suzette Intera to give us a lecture on istorya naman dudok. Para lang ako kang kuhaan sa picture mga ni Ito, Dok, we would like to listen to your message.
Opening prayer pa man to, message mo.
Okay, so in nasayop di ay message di ay abi na ko kato na ang opening part sa program. In behalf of the President of the DOS Retirees Organization, we would like to listen to a Christmas message from our Vice President, Dr. Judith Tawataw. Ikaw rin, sa mga Vice President.
Hello, good morning everyone. Merry Christmas. Thank you. Okay, so in behalf of our president, sad to say she cannot be with us this morning. I would like to welcome you.
Butang na dia.
And also we would like to express our thanks to our donor, of course, our office, the Department of Health, Region 7, to our Director, Bernadette, and Assistant Director, Sofia Masao, and and of course to the vaccination team, no? Led by Dr. Faith and her staff. Thank you so much for giving us the chance to be vaccinated this morning. No? So, what else? So again, this is an annual celebration of our organization, and we'd like everyone to enjoy, even without our